start off by parting your hair. So you just want to part right above the ear right here, all the way around. Then you just want to split your hair in the back and bring it forward. And we're going to spray it with heat protectant, or like, you can just, if you put all your heat protectant in all at one time, that's fine. I'm just doing mine by sections. So I'm just going to spray that and comb it through. And then I'm going to grab my straightener. I'm going to be using Coriolis Pro, like I always do. It's about 1 inch-ish. Okay, so what you have to do pretty much is grab a section just about 1 inch. Grab that. And basically all you need to do is, okay, put your straightener on and then turn it while pulling down a bit this way. And then turn it back. And then turn it this way. So you just want to turn back and forth and pull down while you're doing so. And at the ends, like, your turns can be just not turned as much or like mess up your hair. See? It's like a nice wave. Throw that behind and I'll show you guys again. So then you just want to do this for pretty much all your hair. So now you just want to grab a clip and clip back the hair that you just did. And go on to the next layer. So this one's going to be just right around the eyes right here, like between your iris and eyebrows pretty much. So now you just want to let down your hair, top layer included, and just mess it up a bit. And then you just want to make sure the top, you do the same for the top. You just want to grab the sections that look straight. If it's already like messy, then you can just leave it. Now you just want to tease your hair a bit at the roots just to have that messy look that they have in the Beachy waves. And the look is complete. So this is Beachy wavy hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and comment. Bye!